Circle of fifths in major and minor.
Relative major and minor. Relative major and minor key signatures have the same amount of sharps and flats but begin on different notes. To find the relative minor key of a major key signature, just go 3 half steps down from the first note of the major scale. If you're unsure of which enharmonic note is the minor, check whether the key signature has sharps or flats in it. For example, from E major, 3 half steps down would be C sharp or D flat. E major is a sharp key signature, so the relative minor is C sharp minor.
So here's a diagram showing the relative keys. So we can take, for example, C major is relative to A minor. 3 half steps down from C is A, and so its relative minor is A minor. With 3 half steps up from A is C, so its relative major is C major. Using what we learned from the previous slide, both have the same key signature, which is no sharps and flats, and this goes for pretty much any other key.
Parallel major and minor. Parallel major and minor key signatures start on the same note but have different key signatures. The only difference between the major and minor scales of a note are the third, sixth, and seventh notes. For example, in C major there are no sharps and no flats, but in C minor there's a flat on E, A, and B.
So here we have the circle of fifths. The circle of fifths shows the relative major and minor keys. For example, C major is relative to A minor. When you go clockwise, the circle of fifths shows the order of sharps. When you go counterclockwise, the circle of fourths shows the order of flats. And here we can see the diagram shows the key signature, the major key, and its relative minor key under the major key. And we can see A to E as a fifth and D to G as a fourth.
Thank you for watching.